Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Builderall for web pages, email, and funnels. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Builderall for web pages, email, and funnels, first, log into your Builderall account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and click on the website option. Select Pixel Perfect Builder to start creating your web page. Choose a template or start from scratch for your web design. Use the drag and drop functionality to add elements like text, images, and videos to your page. Customize each element by clicking on it and adjusting settings in the toolbar. After finalizing your web page, click on Save to store your progress. Next, publish your web page by clicking the Publish button. Now, let's move on to configuring email marketing. On the dashboard, find and select the Email Marketing tool. Create a new email list by clicking on the Lists option. Enter your list name and other required information, then save. To design an email campaign, select the Email Campaigns section. Click on Create New Campaign and choose a template that meets your needs. Edit the content of your email using the built-in editor. After finalizing your email, configure the subject line and sender details. Click Save to secure your email campaign setup. Next, we will set up a sales funnel. Return to the dashboard and select the Funnel Builder option. Choose a funnel type suitable for your goal, whether it's a lead magnet or a sales funnel. Select a pre-made funnel template to speed up the process. Customize the funnel pages just like you did with the website, using drag and drop tools. Ensure all funnel pages are connected correctly by checking the links between them. After reviewing each page, save your funnel configuration. To finalize your funnel setup, publish it by clicking the Launch button. For tracking your performance, set up analytics by going to the Analytics section in the dashboard. Importantly, integrate your email and funnels by using the automation features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.